You have Dream America. Are you want me see a run up and down pan highway like you know no sense? Donna, you can't trick. If people them have eyes, ears, and them are ear, me don't know if they're dumb. If you take up the money give you. Because you are the perfect example of ungrateful. Because all along, nobody never give you this, nobody never give you that, no charity never give you this. You come back now, Donna, a big under style. And that you do, you come back in money where you carry the down. So you come back now a big under style, Donna. Donna, me see you on your life, you look stressed out. You think America, you have to go to work, mama. So you come back now, start back charity. It not gonna work for you. What me I see? Oh no, she say Auntie Donna left from America, come take up Siloni, put under our veranda for beg. Oh no, she say Auntie Donna left America and I use Siloni a beg under style. You know, she say Auntie Donna left America, I come beg under style. Before Auntie Donna go America, he didn't want Siloni and yard. He said no want Siloni to in gate, Siloni this and Siloni that. And you left America now, take up Siloni, put under your veranda, big under style. It's not going to work. It will you behave when you reach America. All a drag down the Prime Minister and go on the most, Donna. You come back now, a beg. People under style. You are beg for Siloni. Missile Siloni pan a lot of platform. Downtown a drink out a second hand box drinks and nobody never beg for Siloni. All pan a sudden now you can take back Siloni, put back on your veranda for beg. Because remember say Siloni you did start from it at first to beg, you know. So you draw back Siloni if you start back the begging. Yeah? You left from here. And you go America on your eye ass because it look like say you alone live America, you alone this and you alone that. And the first somebody me see left from Jamaica. My daughter live America from she 4. My daughter 25 and me never see my daughter yet. But no highway say my exercise. You have Park and you have Dream America. And you want me see I run up and down on highway like you know no sense. Donna, you can't trick. If people them have eyes, ears, and them are ear, me don't know if they're dumb. If you take up the money give you. Because you are the perfect example of ungrateful. Because all along, nobody never give you this, nobody never give you that, no charity never give you this. You come back now, Donna, a big under style. And that you do, you come back in money where you carry the down. So you come back now a big under style, Donna. Donna, me see you on your life, you look stressed out. You think America, you have to go to work, mama. So you come back now, start back charity. It not gonna work for you.